Alright, today we're going to talk about the elbow joint. The arm moves in the sagittal plane on the transverse axis as the arm flexes and extends. In the elbow joint, your bicep would be the agonist, and it's the agonist because it's what causes your elbow to flex. And your triceps would be the antagonist because it's on the opposite side of the elbow joint and it can oppose the muscle from flexing. The down phase of a bench press is an eccentric movement, and it's going to go when you're holding the bar and you're going down with the bar to your chest. And that's going to be where you're helping your chest, your shoulders, and your triceps, and it lengthens the muscles while you're in that movement. Okay, now the up phase when you're doing a squat is a concentric movement because the muscles are shortening. And that's when you're down already in your squat and you're coming up and you're releasing.
Ew.
Now, for example, when you would be pushing a gas pedal, that would be an eccentric movement, and that would also lengthen the muscles, and that's when your heel would go up in the air and your toes down. So that was a plank position, and a plank is an isometric movement, and that's when all your muscles are tightening up and being used all at the same time, and that's mostly to help with your core. An example of a first class lever would be when you're looking up at the sky and extending your neck. The axis would be in the middle of your neck, the load would be in the front of your head, or your forehead, and the effort would be in the muscle in the back of your neck. So an example of a second class lever would be when you get up on your tiptoes. Your toes would be the axis, your load would be the weight that you're putting on yourself, and the effort would be your calves that you're flexing. An example of a third class lever would be your elbow. The elbow joint would be the axis, your bicep would be the effort, and the load would be whatever you have that's resisting you from going up.